On top with tori for today, Presido Muhammadu Buhari go waka go Saudi Arabia today for economic forum. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari go comot for Naija today as im wan go Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for official trip make e for fit at ten d economic forum of Future Investment Initiative (FII) for Riyadh. Still on top dis waka, Presido Buhari go do tok with His Majesty King Salman and His Majesty King Abdullahi II of Jordan. On Wednesday 30th of October 2019, Presido Buhari go throway body put on top high-level event wey dem title "What is next for Africa? How will investment and trade transform the continent into next great economic success story?" And im go do dis tok with Presido of Kenya, Congo Brazzaville and Burkina Faso. After dis ogbonge economic forum wey wan shele on top Future Investment Initiative, Presido Muhammadu Buhari go come waka go United Kingdom on Saturday 2nd November for private visit before e go come back to Naija on 17th November 2019. Na so we see dis ogbonge update reach on top with tori for today. On top say Naija Presido Buhari go waka go Saudi Arabia today make im for fit at ten d economic forum wey wan shele for Riyadh. Make una know say dis ogbonge update wey waka come meet una so na T Live Media na im carry am come give una on top with tori for today. And to dey get more of dis ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Comment, like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.